Stop it. We're not saying that on camera.
Oh, I wish you could see my face. Ugh, it's disgusting. Look how nasty and dirty that is. It's carbon. It's a piston.
So you may wonder why we have our masks on. Well, goggles aren't on yet for her, but we got our gloves on. We're all protected up right now. It's not that we're afraid of the coronavirus, it's that we're afraid of the carbon virus. Today, we're going to try and remove all the carbon buildup on these pistons. And I'm not even sure if these are correct pistons for the car. So we're going to come on over to the Chem Dry bucket. And I was hoping I could give you guys a more dramatic before and after with the pistons. But here we go. Chem-Dip carburetor cleaner. Everyone says it's the best thing in the world to remove carbon, and look at the difference.
It's pretty dramatic.
It's pretty dramatic. We're not quite clean yet. I mean, you can see the high spots of the carbon, and I would be willing to bet the carbon buildup was so high on these, we got some interference with our rods, and that's what bent our rods.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I would say, or ruin the head gasket. Yeah. But I mean, look at the big difference here. That's the connecting rod. So I go like this. We're gonna clean them up, and I'm gonna give you all the before and after. It stinks. The Chem-Dip doesn't actually, it gets a lot of it off, and they recommend that you put it in here for a couple hours, then you rinse it with water, but there's still some real nasty carbon bits, so good old-fashioned wire brush and elbow grease, and we should get it off, and let's see if it works. After we loosen up all this gunk, it's going to go back in the Chem. This is after 3 or 4 hours in Chem-Dip. Listen, the piston's nice and loose on the wrist, on the bearing, on the wrist pins. It's good. Look how clean it is. And then this is the last one. You can see I'm removing the piston rings now, but I mean it's covered in soot and gunk. The bottom of the pistons look good, and initial investigation on these pistons is no cracks in the ringlands. No scorching too much on the sides. I mean, a little bit, but whatever. I'm going to reuse these. All we got to do is get new bearings, and we should be able to be fine. I'm going to check the rods one last time before we put these in to make sure they're not bent. And if the rods aren't bent, then we are saving quite a bit of money by running. Look at that difference. Oh my God.
Somebody came to visit us today. Hi, Cedu.
Cedu's gonna help us test it.
We're testing some wheels, and he brought his cute wagon. We're gonna see what size fits. Leia says hello. Onyx says hello.
Oh yeah, no worries. I couldn't like figure out my car yet, so
we're gonna drag up the car. And we're going to go over sizes. Cedu will run us through all the sizes because we're going to make a big purchase today. We're going to buy wheels.
Yeah, we are.
I think you got something on the lens.
I do?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, closer.
Oh, yeah, that's the fiberglass. The same shipping price. All right, which one are we going to test first?
which one do you want first?
Well, let's do 14 by... Let's do the big Johns. These are...
14 by
8.75.
8.75.
With what offset?
Negative 13, if I'm not mistaken.
We'll start with these.
You do need the lug nuts.
Okay.
I have them right here. These will fit. These are acorn stuff.
Those are cute.
So we'll see. We're just testing to see if these fit, baby. We're not actually getting these wheels.
Okay.
Those
are pretty good, though.
They're so light.
14s?
Oh my God, they weigh like that.
compared
Is it a lot smaller than that
Compared
one?
to that, yeah.
Oh.
That's a 14 too.
But like that's cast stuff. Though, so.
What is it for?
Well, nah, like it's a whole one-piece cast.
Oh yeah. So far, so good.
You got
Cedu.
17s?
You need 17?
Yeah, 17 for that.
Are you gonna lower each one?
Look at
Look,
how
it's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty close.
What are you looking at?
We're looking
Like
at
the
the
fender,
line.
yeah.
Oh, the fender. Okay.
Like an inch out.
Yeah, fender flares.
Fender flares.
Fender flares. We are. Fender flares would be nice. Oh, but really, is it not? I think that looks cute. I don't know what.
Oh boy. We can get these. They're more of a modern wheel.
Yeah, they're like.
They
way
remind
modern
me of
compared to
Watanabes.
Yeah.
I don't want.
These
I feel
came
like
from
everyone.
Oh yeah. They might even have those in stock. Like a few days.
This looks good on yours though.
That color
Yeah,
is
let's
really
see.
nice.
Go.
Okay.
The bronze actually looks good though.
Oh, the The bronze looks so good. Holy moly.
Oh wow.
Let's do the bronze looks good on white.
Huh.
Oh, it's
Oh my god.
Like, I was
Let's see if these ones work. Oh my god, what kind of lug nut is that?
It's like a super old one.
You can't find that at O'Reilly.
You can't. That took me fucking like weeks just to find.
Let's see how it's still seated. There we go.
Yeah.
So this is what dimension? 14.7 and a half. Negative 13 or something like that.
Oh.
Or negative 19.
You
That's
like
perfect.
you like them small?
Oh, that's perfect.
I don't get it.
Look at how big the lip is too, babe.
I don't
Check
get
out
it.
from here too.
I don't get it.
Oh, we're talking about the fitment, babe.
Oh.
We're not talking about the way it looks.
Oh, but so we don't want it to pop out that much. Okay, what are you guys doing?
We're gonna try 8s in the rear because we have a line on some 14 by 7.5s up front.
And 8 in the rear, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, we have it here. Let's do it. Let's see what they're gonna look like. Want me to go higher for you?
Yeah, we are. And that's pretty close to your Advan, your works.
So I just get the works.
Yeah.
Holy Grail? Ground lights?
Because they only made it in 1 year
For the A86 spec.
for the A86 spec. Because
I can't find it on their site anymore.
they had
Oh, it's blue.
they had a race series in Japan
Oh, it's so cute.
for A's 86s, and all of them had to run this wheel.
Oh, really?
Look at that. It's so cute.
I do actually like it though.
Wow. 15
It
doesn't
matches-
look as big as I thought it
15 doesn't look big.
Oh my gosh, I thought 15s would look a lot bigger. Oh, it looks
Dude.
good.
It's good.
Remember how you're like 15s don't look good on TV? We're actually on our way to Arizona today. 7 miles away, 7 hours away. Oh god. 400 miles to get the 4 headlight conversion for our TE72. We put up a bunch of requests on the forums and one guy said, hey, I got it. And it's cheaper than international shipping for us to go get it. So we're gonna hop in the GX470 and drive to Arizona today to try and get the 4 headlights.
And possibly other surprises, but we will see.
It might be other Corollas. And maybe we'll come back with another car, and maybe we won't. But we're about to go find out.
Yeah.
I hope it's not sketchy. I hope it's not like some guy who's gonna kill us on his farm. or
Oh
something.
God! If it is, you have to look up. You guys will be right there with us, so keep this as evidence.
I don't know if I'll be recording when I pull up to this guy's house.
Really? Aw.
Yeah, I can't say they're gonna be right there with us.
Okay, fine.
We'll figure it out.
Do it on my iPhone.
Yes, that's a good idea. Yeah, do a button cam.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Up. Go ahead. You can do it. Good boy.
Hi, Kodaxi. Hi.
Do you ever feel that when people say Five Guys is better than In-N-Out, they're just doing it to piss you off and trigger you?
Yeah, because it is better than it is now.
Oh, come on. No, seriously. The Five Guys can't be better than In-N-Out. There's no way.
No.
In-N-Out is the thing people travel around states for. Like, they come to Texas and California to eat In-N-Out. It's literally, like, famous.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't even think Five Guys. I don't even remember what Five Guys tastes like. Like, it's just, it was so mid.
It's, like, big and messy.
That was it. It was like nothing's for
Yeah, I get putting In-N-Out on the same level as Shake Shack. Yeah, I understand that, and I'm not gonna say which is better because it's to each their own. But Five Guys like doesn't even compare to.
I remember the whole thing about it too. Everyone was like, yeah, have you tried Five Guys? I was like, oh my god, no, let's go. And it was the fuck, guys.
It's not better, okay? It's not better. All right, back on the road. Wait, what time is it?
It's 10:10, everybody.
everybody. Like, there's an audience
There's
watching.
an audience.
It's quiet time. We're cooking up a storm. It's gonna be sweet potatoes, garlic, onions, sausage with cheese and garlic. It's gonna be great. Yeah, and then there's the camp setup that we have going on here. And Kodak says hi. And let's turn off the light so you can kind of see what the camp setup looks like. Emily did a great job setting everything up inside there.
Okay.
Yeah, here we go. There's inside the tent. Nice and cozy. So we're gonna eat some dinner tonight. Tomorrow morning we're waking up early to go maybe on a hike if it doesn't rain. And then we're gonna get
our part.
8.5 hours later of driving. We're here, we're gonna make some dinner, we're gonna have some beers, we're gonna have a good time. And we'll see you in the morning. It is windy. I think maybe Emily and I slept 3 hours last night. Look at this wind. That's what we had to deal with. But we're here in Tucson, and Emily's making coffee right now because, gosh, we need it. And it's time to go get our parts. And we had to stop at this awesome mural. Check it out. Oh my God. Hell yeah.
The reason we came to Arizona.
Front end acquired. Now we've put all this in the GX470. You ready?
Yeah. Storm is coming. All right, Kodak, you comfy?
Ready to go? Where are we staying tonight?
The Ritz-Carlton.
We just got home from I think it's now 3-day trip to Tucson, Arizona to pick up the new front end for our Corolla project. That's right, we're going older front end. We're going front end from the 81 Corolla instead of the 82 TE72 Corolla. We're going KE70 front end. And the reason why is these 4 headlights look so much cooler than these old man sleepy headlights. Yes, I know some of you will probably be like, oh, I like the old headlights. Hey, if you like it, come and buy them because all this is coming off. We're going to replace the fenders, we're going to replace the hood, we're going to pull the grill out, and we're going to pop in the dual buckets. I am so excited. Let's see the condition of the parts we got. This looks like it's got some scratches on it, a little bit of rust, but I mean, it's okay. A lot of the stuff's going to get painted and prepped anyway. The buckets though, this is kind of the hardest part. You can buy the surrounds on eBay. They remanufacture this. This is the cord to convert the 2 headlight car to the 1 headlight car to a 2 headlight car. This is the hardest thing to find. I can't seem to find the dual can buckets anywhere, and this came complete with it. So I'm not too worried. I can replace these. I can replace the ring. I can replace this. Came with the grill. There is a little bit of a hairline crack here. You see it? A little bit of a bend, and then I think the whole grill's gonna become black. And then this one is the worst one of all the buckets. You can see the outside it has been JB welded, pretty bad condition. It has like a wood screw here. That's not good. Just kind of loose on there. I'll probably replace it. It's been cracked. I'll probably replace that. This can here, is also bent and damaged, and then it looks like the chassis has been repaired and painted black. See that? That's not a really good sign, but I think this is still usable. It was still cheaper for me to get in the GX470, take the back seats out, drive with Emily and Kodak all the way to Tucson, which is 7 hours away, to get this front set up with the hood, with no bulbs. It's still cheaper than to order one overseas and ship it. Shipping alone is like $250. Didn't quite cost us 250 in gas. We got the whole front end for a good deal, and so now it's time to swap the front end out. Maybe we can fit that in this episode, maybe not. If not, we'll see ya. If we can, time for a time lapse for a front end swap.